Hey, what we got here, mate? Look at this. Tiger 900 Risers. VOIGT. Well, however it's said. Let's have a look. What's inside here? Yeah, awesome. Instructions. Look at that. Lovely machines. Okay. Let's get it on. Bam, and they're on. Took 20-25 minutes. I wouldn't consider myself proficient compared to some of you lot that know what you're doing. Yeah, went on easy enough. It's straightforward. I guess the question you're asking yourself and what I was wondering was, being 30 mil higher and 25 mil back, would anything be really tight on full lock? And the answer is everything's still got movement of all of them, one way or the other. This one's the tightest, but even then, I don't feel it straining. We'll go around the other way. Everything still has really great movement, so I don't feel anything strains. So I'm happy with that. We'll have to get this out on the road and give it a go. Okay, back from long rides, just wanted to share the experience with them. Thumbs up. I'll start with that. So because they're higher and further back, the way that it put me in a position due to my height and arm length and all the rest, it just reduced fatigue on my back, which is the idea behind it. So I'm happy. Well worth the money. There was a second thing that I didn't expect, which I really liked, which is when I'm going tightly into corners and roundabouts and there's potholes in the middle of it, in the middle of a corner. In the past it's been slightly jittery, slightly nervous. Now I didn't get that going into the corners. Now it seemed absolutely fine. It was confidence inspiring. It felt a lot more planted and stable, and that's huge. So absolutely loving it. And I feel so lucky that I clicked that button and bought them for myself. I paid for it with my own money and just sharing my thoughts. Okay, good luck everyone, and do what works for you.